Introducing the SUNUV Pro Glow LED UV nail lamp, your salon's worst nightmare and your nail's new best friend. Tired of waiting forever for your gel polish to dry, only to smudge your masterpiece the second you reach for your phone? Frustrated by bulky, complicated nail lamps that leave your hands feeling like they've been sunburned? Or worse, ruin your intricate nail art with clumsy buttons? Say goodbye to the old way of at-home manicures. With the SUNUV Pro Glow LED UV nail lamp, you're not just curing gel polish, you're unlocking professional-grade results in half the time. Here's how it transforms your nail game. Speed meets power. 33 high-intensity LED beads blast through curing time, so you spend less time waiting and more time flaunting. No more awkwardly hovering your hand under a weak lamp. Get rock-hard, smudge-proof nails in as little as 30 seconds. Smart sensor magic. Wave goodbye to button-pressing disasters. The built-in smart sensor automatically starts the timer when your hand enters the lamp, so your nail art stays pristine. Choose from 4 customizable timer settings: 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 99 seconds, for total control. No guesswork, no mess. Safe for skin, safe for eyes. Worried about UV damage? Our dual-wave technology uses 365 nanometer UV plus 405 nanometer LED light to cure polish efficiently while protecting your skin and eyes. No harsh rays, no burns, just glossy, healthy nails. Room to shine, literally. Bigger isn't always better, unless it's your nail lamp. With a spacious, ergonomic design and a removable bottom tray, you can cure both hands or toes comfortably, then wipe away glittery messes in seconds. Plus, it's lightweight and portable. Take your salon anywhere. Why settle for good enough? Salon trips add up. Weak lamps let you down. The SUNUV Pro Glow isn't just a gadget, it's your ticket to long-lasting chip-free manicures that look like you paid $100, but cost way less. And if you ever need help, our nail-obsessed support team has your back. Ready to ditch the drama? Stop battling slow dry times, cramped designs, and subpar results. The SUNUV Pro Glow isn't just a nail lamp, it's your shortcut to confidence in every click. Your nails deserve the upgrade. You deserve the applause. Shop now. Because life's too short for bad manicures. New chat,